Hello fellow traders. So as you can see, VIX is up today 17%. VIX is up even more than that. Well, at least it should be soon. What I was wondering if people know if I'm frustrated with this trade or not. Yes, I was frustrated with this trade because I was expecting a move from here. I got in here. Then you can see back forth, outside reversals. Put a stop. 10% out here. Got stopped, but got in again. But the trade was good, right? It was started here. This was turning upwards. So this it didn't touch any reversals. It didn't do anything. That should tell you that the system is not perfect. There's a bunch of things that can happen in the market. So you plan for the worst, but you hope for the best. So my plan was get in here and just get out on this. But again, I was early because I was following the daily reversals, which was 23rd one was a daily reversal. Instead of a weekly. Like I noticed on the weekly, you actually have a better chance to get in, and on the 30th, if you got in, because it was a direction change for the whole week. So let's see what this takes us out. At least a move until the 9th. If the 9th takes out the see on the weekly turns out, so be prepared for a big move. It's a panic month. Panic month means we can reach 65. So if we take out 1789 this week, which is a panic, so we should probably take it out. We're gonna see a move until the 16th. Dow did elect, closed above the target I posted. That means that at the end of the month it's gonna move back up. So I don't know what's gonna happen between there. I'm still in the money, as I say, in this trade, not out yet. Again, this is not an advice. VIX is way volatile for somebody who is new. So do your best and put stops. You better lose some money, but then you get back in the game. Be prepared to lose money. This is the game. You actually be prepared to lose some money and just get a little bit here, a little bit here. That's what at least my formula is. And follow reversals and arrays. We are above 1730. We touched 1840, as you can see. We didn't touch 1840, but let's see what today brings in. Supposedly tomorrow is a turning point, so we might see a move a bit down, but keep an eye on it. Have a good one.